Hello again. My name is Sarah. In part 1, I told you my story. I told you about my fear. I told you about my pain. People laugh at me. But this is not the end. This is part 2. This is about hope. This is about courage. This is about continuing. Part 1. After the laughter. After people laugh at me, I feel quiet. I do not speak much. I think a lot. I sit alone. I hold my English book. I look at the words. English feels heavy, but inside me, something is still alive. A small voice says, "Do not stop." Part 2. A small decision. One evening, I make a small decision. I say to myself, I will not quit. I will not run away. I will try again. I do not promise to be perfect. I do not promise to be fast. I promise only one thing. I promise to continue. Part 3. Learning in silence. At first, I learn in silence. I do not speak in front of people. I speak alone. I read English quietly. I write simple sentences. I listen to slow English audio. I repeat words again and again. Hello. Thank you. I am learning English. My confidence is small, but it is growing. Part 4. My safe space. I create a safe space for learning. In my room, I am not afraid. No one laughs at me. No one judges me. Mistakes are welcome here. I say words wrong. I laugh at myself. I try again. This is my space. This is my pace. Part 5. Understanding something important. One day, I understand something important. People who laugh are not teachers. People who laugh are not my judges. My English journey is mine. I learn for myself. I learn for my future. I learn for my dreams, not for them. Part 6. A new way of thinking. Before, I thought, my English is bad. I am not good enough. Now I think, my English is growing. I am learning every day. My thoughts change. My heart feels lighter. Part 7. Speaking again. One day, I speak English again. My voice shakes. My hands feel cold. But I speak. I make mistakes, but I finish my sentence. No one laughs this time. Even if they do, I know something now. I am brave. Part 8. Meeting kind people. Not everyone laughs. Some people listen. Some people help. Some people smile. One person says, "Your English is good. Keep going." These words stay in my heart. I am not alone. Part 9. My English routine. Every day, I practice English. I keep it simple. I read for 10 minutes. I listen for 10 minutes. I speak for 5 minutes. That is enough. Learning does not need to be hard. Learning needs to be consistent. Part 10. Small wins. I start to see small wins. I understand a sentence. I remember a word. I answer a question. These small wins make me smile. Small wins give me power. Part 11. Making peace with mistakes. I make peace with mistakes. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. When I make a mistake, I learn. When I learn, I grow. I stop hating my mistakes. Part 12. Talking to you. If you are listening to this lesson, listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not stupid. Learning a new language is hard. Feeling afraid is normal, but you are doing something brave. Part 13. Simple practice. Read aloud. I am learning English. I make mistakes. I keep learning. I do not give up. Say it again. Part 14. Simple questions. Answer slowly. 1. Are you afraid to speak English? 2. Do people laugh at you? 3. Do you want to continue learning? Your answers matter. Part 15. Strong sentences. Repeat every day. I am brave. I am learning. I am improving. I believe in myself. Part 16. My promise. I promise myself something. Even if people laugh, even if learning is slow, even if I feel tired, I will not stop. Part 17. The future. One day, my English will be better. Not perfect, but better. I will speak with confidence. I will help others. I will remember this journey. This pain will become strength. Conclusion. People laugh at me, but I keep learning. I am Sarah. I am still learning English, and I am proud of myself.